Welcome to the endless bull run. Thanks for tuning into this one. Now let's have some fun. Endless bull run, Sam's on the screen.
Good morning, good morning, good morning. Let me just set this up.
Those ticks like a money machine. TD rates fractal in a neon grid. Swing high, swing low, that's the bid he did. Endless bull run chart in his hand. Zoom out fam, got a long-term plan. From politics scripts to crypto flips, Sam's new campaign is these candlestick tips. Endless bull run, Sam says one more leg. TD rates fractal in his head like a pledge. Break of structure, we jump off the ledge, then it wicks back up and we still feel blessed. 1 minute trader, heart rate danger. 15-minute thinker, swing trade ranger. 4-hour chef, let it simmer in the zone. Dutch oven hot, he just calls it home. Oh yeah. It's time to go long. This time it can't go wrong. I just told you, and it has been so long since I watched the Dutch oven tutorial. So you know what to do. Wait, what? No. Not the Dutch oven. Slow cook accumulation.
Let's see what Bitcoin's up to. Actually, let's start with NQ today. Let's just go over what happened overnight. Yesterday during the stream, called this order block on the 4-hour. Had some deviations of 24.2, 24.5. Let's go over here and let me see. This is high, this candle. Whoops. 24.288. So it hit that deviation just overnight. What's up, Willa? How's it going? So let's see if we're still gonna go. As you see, it's if you've been watching the NQ this morning, it's been ass. As you can see.
Fractal fam, it just rhymes quicker. I'm deep red, still clicking like Sam. I'm holding till I'm richer.
Man.
Endless bull run. Ride it too close.
786 is right about this order block down here. 705 hits it nicely. That'd be some yo-yo action. 1,000 points though. So probably gonna want to respect the 23.6. Of course, this isn't top yet. And if we still go up, right? I mean, but it's blasting through.
Hits live and the bullishness grows. Fractal snipers. Show that you care, like, subscribe, and share.
I think this is a daily fair value gap we were looking at yesterday.
Snipers. Show that you care, like, subscribe, and share.
Man, it's been a while since I've been live, huh? Four-hour fair value gap. Inverted it, but took forever to invert it. So not like a V-shaped recovery here. Daily's more V-shaped. But where do we have to go to be an order block here? Way up here. And we have to get through this fair value gap, which is rejecting currently. So mark this as a fair value gap on it. Might want to change the color of it, huh? How's everyone's trading day going today? Look at that rejection right here. It's kind of looking bearish. Still choppy. Let's drop down to the 4-hour. Line decision. 1 hour. It's all going to look the same. It's just going to be consolidation in this time frame here. It's pretty big consolidation. That's basically what I'm looking at. Let's remove this for 1 split second. That range right here. Give a summary of your non-trade group. Oh, I see some messages up in here. For some reason I didn't get notified that you sent these messages. Don't FOMO. Don't FOMO, Willa. There's going to be plenty of setups, but like you said in this message, your setup came at 11:15 last night. And that's just the way it's been for a while. It's like Asia's been moving, London's been moving. Tougher East Coast traders, and then New York is just doing this shit. Gotta get my scalp and brain on for this. Need to get some trades in. Yeah, Asia's easier for you. You have a nice manufacturing job. Making big ass stuff. We're just chopping, but we're going up. Unless this is a bear thingy. But anybody know about bear flags? That doesn't make sense. I don't know how to do this, guys. Need some help. Reggie, what's up, brother? Wrong button. She just keeps going, huh? She just keeps going. This friggin' grind. Yeah, well, that's part of it, right? Getting the direction right. Even if you didn't take your trade, you saw it. Ease back in. Oh, Reggie, sorry. I was kind of joking around. I don't know. I was saying that this was a I was on Bitcoin. I was saying that this was a bear flag. And I was asking anybody if they knew how to play bear flags. Okay, I'm going to stick with Bitcoin. This is... I don't like the price action on any of this, to be honest with you. Reggie, I guess we didn't pay attention in class. take a look at 15 a little bit closer. This closes above here. I'm gonna wait for the 15. This 15 to close and then make a tail. Probably retest this line. It's gonna flip this support resistance flip here. That's a nice whiplash for $1,400. I've been trying to play around with your indicator. I'm lost as hell on it. But my attention's been split too. It was kind of overwhelming when I opened it up. If you send me some, like, if you have any FAQs or any, like, quick starts, send them over and I'll start playing with it online, on the lives here. Once I get the hang of it. Isn't that always like the hardest part too, Reggie, after you build something is like, now you have to explain it to everyone else. Because at the time you're not realizing like how much you went into it and how much like you is in your head. And then when you start breaking it down in order for other people to use it, that's overwhelming. Okay, I'll take a look in the Discord. Will be my Sunday project. This doesn't look like it wants to close above, guys. %, Reggie. Been super weird, and this was like, I'm getting back into trading this week because I've been off for 2 weeks or so. And I'm like, okay, I didn't miss much. I just sign into Twitter every day and see influencer after influencer just getting completely destroyed the last 2 weeks. We got the 1 minute. Oh, yeah, we have the 1 minute over here, guys, and the 15-minute over here. For those of you wondering what is on the screen, got Bitcoin. I have been testing the Warbucks prop firm on their smallest account. To be honest, I don't like what of this DX trader that all the prop firms for Bitcoin use. I'm not a fan of it. So it's not Warbox's fault because this is what this is the go-to for every prop firm that offers crypto. As far as I understand. Like for the limit order, right? My settings aren't showing until I'm in the trade, so I can't set it up. Can't drag and drop it. I don't know if that's a Brave issue. I'm on Brave. Maybe I'll try a different browser and see if that comes up. But I could have sworn before it was working. Kind of like here, right? You got... Oops. See? All this comes up. I don't know why that's gold because I'm signed into a prop firm. But that's interesting. Yeah, NQ might be done. Yeah, I agree. Well, there's 3 world leaders speaking tonight. UK, Australia, and the US. Something's up. Oh, here we go. This is what I've been waiting for. I'll give it a shot. I wish I could, I'll do this. Change the state of delivery in 1 here. Oh, hit limited. Oh, I have to. Let's do a 1-to-1. Well, that was a lot of notifications to tell me that I'm into a trade. And we're in. Let's go take a look at NQ while I fail that trade. I'm not so confident in it anymore. Yeah, it looks like it'll want to keep going for sure. I don't believe that's going to be a swing point. Yeah, they're not the best, Reggae. Because there's not many that can have worse rules than like a future prop. And the fees are killer. Like if I close this trade, it's like $5 in, $5 out. Makes it hard to trade a small balance. Really, I could probably put my stop right here. Super tight. There we go. See ya. Have a good one if I don't see you. I'll see you in Discord anyway. Sup and Crib, how's it going, bro? Action slow on this one. Feels like super high resistance. I expect it to get stuck about here. Oh, this fair value gap. Not where it's getting stuck now, so that's not good. It's kind of a C setup anyways. Just this wick on this 15 is not that pretty. Because we have to railroad that wick. Y'all know me, I don't like trying to railroad stuff. Technically, this should be a protected swing. So is this. So 1-to-1. Hope all's well with you, Encrypt. Doing all right. Pressing some buttons. Taking some riskier setups here. I don't like that. I just was not able to get above that wick. Yeah, Grip, this is I think it's called DX Trader. It is what most crypto prop firms use as the platform. Like it's white labeled over here as GUI Trader, but it's DX Trader white labeled. Tempted to close this one out because I think it's gonna fail. We didn't get that reaction I wanted to go up. This becomes a lower and lower probability as it skyrockets here. Yeah, it does look dumpy, right? But here I am in a long. Let's play this continuation, break a structure. I got in when it came back and retested, but then it kept on coming down, and I don't like when it does that. And then it failed to break this, so it's kind of giving me every opportunity to close this out for a small loss, but it's an eval, so I'm holding it a little bit longer. I guess I wish I'd come to this 4 hour first, because if I had seen this tail, I probably wouldn't have jumped into the long, because it is very extended. Oh, in Crip, anything's possible. I could be wrong about direction and still win this trade, right? Or I could get out for this little loss. I don't know how to financially recover from this $3 loss, though. I'll set up a GoFundMe. If you took this trade with me, you could be getting your house repossessed as well. Just make one of those signs and just go out to the corner of my nearest city. Day trader. Degen. Every penny helps. I might do it just as a publicity stunt. But everyone knows me around here, so They might not get the joke, although they know that I like to joke around. I'll do it in the city that I'll do it next time I'm in Boston. Crypto guards are like, get out of this trade. And I'm like, nah. Here we go. But double cheeseburger. There we go. McDonald's double cheeseburger. Here I come. Let's go. I'm a genius. I was at a $50 move on Bitcoin. See, that doesn't work on this either. I can't hard press this to give me the candle information. Okay, let's go over here and... Oh, that looks pretty. That doesn't look so pretty. This is what ThankYou's been doing. Each time frame is giving mixed messages, so it's just like, okay, that means let's not take anything on it. Right, this action on Bitcoin. I haven't traded Bitcoin in a while. I actually want to try the LMM strategy again. Now that I'm a way better trader, it'd be interesting. I gotta give it to him though. I had over 100 winning trades in a row with the strategy. It's looking pretty good. If it closes above here, guys, what I'm hoping for. Am I allowed to use the word hope? I forget what my mentors say. I desire it to close above here. Shit. Yeah, one trade can ruin it all with the LMM. You have to be super, super disciplined. And to be honest, not use as much leverage. But I was doing it on 200 leverage. This is rejecting hard. Oh yeah, then October 10th happens. Yeah, you have to have like a hard stop too. You can't do it forever. Well, technically you can. You just got to add more money to your account. Oh, look at that 15. This 15 is ugly. But for real, that's how some of the big ass players trade, because they have essentially unlimited amount of money. For us, we have to do it with $3 or $4 at a time. Same thing, it kind of double topped it. Look at that. Look at that rejection off my line. It's like I drew that line and they're like, yeah, we'll just reject it off that line every time. Market makers are watching my sim funded account. Oh, it's not even funded. My sim account that I'm up $5.77 on. They're hunting me. Really, my stop should be... Really, if I'm too close to my mic, Jesus Christ. Really, my stop should be here. Or even... Yeah. Even here. A new hour coming up. I don't like being in this trade in a new hour, so I might close it early, but that's when it's gonna boom. Mm, 5 minutes looking pretty good. Let's get above these wicks. Let's eat them. There we go. There we go. Let's go. Don't just be a liquidity raid. Son of a bitch. Okay, hold that wick. Yeah, there we go. I'm going to move my stop into profit after this. If this pumps up and leaves this gap here, I'm going to move my stop to here. does not look like it wants to do that though. If it closes inside, I'm gonna I'll be closing too. And call it good for here. Because this could be a liquidity run. Oh my god, yes, I want to close my position. Jesus Christ. Made $5, guys. W's in the chat. I have one click on too. I don't remember where. Oh, this is cool. How do I change time period so I can show the whole thing? Oh, here we go. All history. Oh shit, I have 100% win rate. I didn't know that. I need to add a couple zeros to this average winner. Hey Mar, what's up? How you doing? Trying to find where I don't need to confirm. I think I might have done the right thing to getting out of this. It could be doing a curly Q and push up. We have this, I think it's a 15-minute fair value, bearish fair value gap, yeah. I'm struggling even to get to it. Yeah, let's be real here for a second. Like, this is why I have a hard time losing. It's like, I'll have a 100% win rate. This is not even that many trades, I don't think. Just 7 times, right? But I'll have like a 20 or 30. I'll have a 20 or 30 win streak where I'll have like 1 loss. But then if I take 2 losses in a row, I start to tilt. That's like my... And that's my biggest problem. And it's so so irrational because I know that I can win 20 or 30 in a row, right? And all I have to do is lose it, and I don't accept that loss, and then I blow accounts. I mean, you've seen the stats I've posted. Watching and studying in this price action, you're gonna learn something. It's been crazy. What have you been looking at? I meant like, what instrument? This does look bullish on the 1 hour too. The daily struggling. That 4 hours has this huge tail. I think we almost top ticked that. Quote unquote. No, I just noticed that I have a freaking typo in my description. Not my description, my title. That's funny. Bitcoining. Bitcoining. I gotta fire my intern. Problem is, that's me. Yeah, where is Bitcoining going? I think up. I think overall. Well, let's see how this daily starts to play out for the what is today? Is today Wednesday? Jesus Christ. See how it starts to play and push up through this fair value gap. I'm confused about why this isn't showing up on my other screen, on my other ones. Oh, it is. It's right there. Okay, I get it now. There it is. Okay. I'm having a hard time in there, that's all. Oh, did I miss the joke? Where it? Bitcoin. I can't even say. I can't say it, dude. That's why. You're gonna have to explain it to me offline. No, just kidding. Man, it's warm in my office today. I probably should have just reversed this trade. Would have round tripped it, guys, if we didn't take profit. So when we get that bearish close inside here, I'm just like, I'm going to be done with the trade. It never really gave too many bearish signals through here, so it like didn't close below here, so I stayed in it. Gave more bullish than anything. This was bullish, but I was worried that it was just a liquidity run off this, and that's turns out what it was. And then this was a bearish signal, so we got out of here. Only $395 more to pass this eval, and I'm doing it $5 at a time. Well, actually, my average. No, my average is 21. I'm glad it's not a monthly. It's just a one-time fee. Should have just hit the reverse button. The old reverse Uno card. Choppy chop chop. This is a funded account over here, so I'm being super picky. Oh, this didn't look at 11:30. Wasn't too bad. Then I would have waited here. Got in here. I don't know. This everything's so super high resistant right now because it is. It's been going for a bit. Pre-market dump, then just grind. Take care and grip. Drive safe. Have fun with a girlfriend. Let's take a little look at some other stuff while we're... Everything's looking the same though, huh? Even gold's looking the same as NQ. Had that dump at 8:30. 8:45. This never played out, huh? Hit the 2. Stopped watching this for a while, obviously. That would have been a good trade. To the 2. I was supposed to contract switch, okay. Yeah, silver's still struggling on this. That's a 4-hour. Yep. Just keep this up as a reminder of the good days of trading silver. I did sell all of my physical silver a little too soon. I sold it at 98. Missed a little bit of upside, but all good. I don't dare short any silver or gold or any. Well, obviously not oil right now. So that the monthly might be making a swing pattern. Not a pretty one. Yeah, uranium just keeps gapping up. Oh, I'm on Tradeovate. I'm in on Tradeify. So I don't have real-time data. I have 2 silvers. Oh no, let's do that. Let's take a look. I haven't looked at anything else besides Bitcoin in a while either. In a long time, actually. I called that bounce there. Did take out the low hanging fruit there, and then just dumped off the cliff. Kind of rounding bottom. Then you look at the monthly here. The monthly looks horrendous. You see, I'd never delete anything off these. This one. Called that dump. Oh, whoops. He did call it there. Let's go take a look at Swoosh. Oh, this looks like it. Crap. Looks like crap. Same thing, these monthlies just look like crap. The daily looks like it wants to turn, right? It looks on all of these. Because what crypto just does all this the same thing. Looks like it wants to cup. But then the monthly says we need to make a swing point. And for it to make a swing point, you at least come back down here. Because I want to consider this really a good swing point. You demo shorted NQ. Well, let's take a look. $21. You might be right. That's looking good. I gotta make sure this isn't copyrighted material here. It's still on my playlist. It shouldn't be. Oh, still is looking good. Where'd you take profit, Will? I'll put up a little. I don't know where your stop loss is, but we'll just do that. I don't know where your take profit is either. Let's see where would I put it? Yeah, right about there. That's only. Well, you know me, I like a 2-to-1, so here would be good, but this is not a bad place to take profit here. Come down for this liquidity and this fair value gap again. This comes down. Look at the 15. No, that's not even a fair value gap. $288. Okay, not bad. Oh, don't be dumb, NQ. Don't be dumb. That's gross. Oh, it's a new 15. Thank you, playing you dirty. I told you the market makers are watching me. They just watched me put this up, and they're like, "Hey, let's fuck with them." Oh, I thought you had this in the bag, Willa. And then this shit happens. This might be a liquidity run, though. Welcome to day trading in a war. let's move the stop all the way up here. Let's get it. Ain't that the truth? Encrypt, ain't that the truth? Although Willa did say he was trying to catch a, well, it said falling knife, but it was more like a, man, I gotta, I don't know, what is it? What would you call a knife that's flying in the air? Well, I guess my random stop loss placement worked. I really had no idea where to put the stop. Yeah, flying daggers. There you go, Encrypt. I like that. Flying daggers. You're gonna make me have to Google what that is, Willa. Let's hope it's nothing bad because it's on the screen. Oh, come on. This is a bad advertisement for free search. Oh, you dumbass. Okay, it wasn't anything bad. Oh, yours was above right here. This high here. Which would make sense. It's a logical place to do it. Would my 2R have worked on this? Yeah. My 1 to 2R. Made that a winner. But we're going a little bit lower. I forget now, we said 88, right? Don't think we're gonna get all the way down there now. Let's see what Bitcoin is doing. Well, we did take profit on this one. At the right place. Still wouldn't have been stopped out though, but I would be in the red. Oh, actually no, I'm being the... You like the VWAP too, right, Willa? Where art thou? VWAP. All the way down here. $24, $136. Encrypt's asking how many contracts. We full port everything, every trade. That's the only way we roll. Not financial advice. If you're not mortgaging your house to buy Bitcoin, are you really day trading? See if this random stop holds. Doesn't feel like it wants to. Feels like it wants to rip right through it. One, 2R. Yeah. It's kind of why I'm a huge believer in the 1 to 2R. Plus that math I showed you all in Discord. Yeah, let me take a screenshot and pull it up. This is our call from yesterday's stream. It's played out to this deviation right here so far. So it came across this. This was a 45% win rate. 2 to 1. He has this backwards, but Grok understood. It's 2 reward, 1 risk. Risking 2% per trade. Starting with a $10,000 account, 7 years. Will grow to roughly $24.72 million. Of course, there's things, risk of ruin is low. It's only 2%. You're risking 2%. Some things that could make this go awry is, say you start off with like a 15 or 20 losing streak, right? But this is with a 45% win rate. Not even a winning rate, not even a winning win rate. Something to think about. No, it's not. That's encrypt. As you know, almost all my trades are 1-to-1 or 1-to-2, 1 risk to reward. And it's mainly for this reason, because what I've found is it goes to the two part way more quickly, and then reverses. In this type of market, that is. And for my mental capital, I have a hard time with that retracing all the way back up into here. So for me, that's hard. Right? For other people, it's not. So let's just hit Willis take profit. See, because like I honestly think if it's going to come down, it's probably coming down to here, right? But my mental capital can't hold for that long. It's just the way I'm built. This quick dump to there, cool. I can hold that. All depends on what kind of trader you are. Another thing I don't like about this DX trader. Oh, of course, once I hit reload, it comes back on. Yeah, I'm looking over Discord now. I'm seeing a lot in the group that had no trades today too. I didn't take any trades on NQ. Just watching. I took that high risk Bitcoin trade earlier. It broke structure. I got in on the retest. Oh, broke structure. Where the hell did it break structure? Oh, broke structure here. I got back on the retest. Sold once that came back down. Okay, guys, I think that's going to be it for me for today. Appreciate you all hanging. Trade safe. This action sucks right now. We might get stopped out of this one. Going for the bigger target. If the two are, though. If you're new, smash that like button and subscribe. I have nothing to sell you. No Discord to sell you. No affiliates. No nothing. Just some friends having fun. I will see you maybe tomorrow or Friday. Peace.